Most Dell docking stations don't have a power button. They power on when connected to a power source, like an AC adapter or laptop. To turn one off, you typically need to disconnect the power. Newer docks may support low-power standby modes when peripherals are disconnected or via laptop settings. Since 2023, Dell has focused on improving energy efficiency in docks, reducing standby power consumption in models like the WD22TB with firmware updates. To avoid issues, safely eject peripherals before disconnecting. First, safely eject all connected USB devices in Windows to prevent data corruption. Next, disconnect the USB-C or Thunderbolt cable connecting the dock to your laptop. This cuts power for passive docks. For active docks with a separate power supply, unplug the AC adapter from the wall. Wait 10 to 15 seconds for capacitors to discharge. If you're troubleshooting, restart your laptop while the dock is disconnected. For models like the WD22TB, Dell's Command Power Manager software can be used to monitor and remotely power cycle the dock. Avoid yanking cables and use certified cables to prevent port damage.